Hello everyone, welcome to Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I'll be making traditional Polish dish, pierogi with cabbage and mushroom. Perfect dish for Christmas Eve dinner or anytime you can enjoy. So if you are ready, let's get cooking. For today's recipe, pierogi with cabbage and mushrooms, I need sauerkraut about 2 pounds, dry mushrooms about 20 grams, and fresh mushrooms 100 grams. There will be 5 mushrooms, 1 onion, black pepper and sea salt. That's all. Let's go started. First, I drained sauerkraut to remove water. I just try the cabbage. Perfect is not too sour. Sometimes when sauerkraut is too sour, it's good to just pour the water over and remove sour taste. Next step, dry mushrooms and fresh mushrooms. I will cook dry and fresh mushrooms. Next step, the cabbage. I have to just remove the excess of water. Just squeeze like this in your hands and it will be perfect. Next step, I will cut sauerkraut because I need very small pieces. Pierogi with sauerkraut and mushroom. It's a very simple recipe. Perfect recipe for Christmas Eve supper. I always make pierogi with cabbage and mushrooms for Christmas Eve. If you like sauerkraut and mushrooms, it's a perfect recipe for you. Always done, and I put this on side. Next, onion. Onion is chopped. Next, I soak mushrooms for 1 hour before cooking, and I cook for 30 minutes. Now I will drain and have to wait to cool down mushrooms. Next step, I will chop mushrooms. For this recipe I use fresh and dry mushrooms. If you don't have dry mushrooms, you can use fresh mushrooms and just chop. Next step, I will fry onion, oil, about 2 tablespoons, chopped onion. The stove oil is on a high heat, and I will fry onion till it is nice and light brown color. Onion changed color already. I'm adding chopped cabbage to fry onion. Next, I'm adding mushrooms. Now I will combine everything and I will fry this for 20 minutes. I'm adding black pepper. If you like very spicy, you can add more. For this amount, I'll put 1/4 of teaspoon and salt. A little bit. I will cook this for 20 minutes. And you can see the cabbage looks beautiful, change color because I add the water from mushrooms to cabbage to get more mushroom flavor. When the cabbage is too sour, you can add a little bit sugar. The cabbage and mushrooms done. Now I have to wait till to cool down, and I will start making pierogi. Next step, I will make pierogi dough. I need just flour, 6 cups, and water. Flour. I make the little opening in the middle, and now I'm pouring boiling water. The boiling water will make pierogi dough soft. 1 cup right now, and I will wait to hot water cool down. And now I will make the dough. Just add warm water right now. It's a very simple dough, just flour and water. The main ingredients for pierogi is stuffing. Today I make stuffing cabbage and mushrooms. Now I use my hands to combine everything. You can see the dough is done. It's nice and soft. Next step, I will make pierogi. If you've seen my previous video, this is technique I'm using for making pierogi. Just take a piece of dough, roll, perfect, and just cut. And little flour, and I will make the circle like this. You can see, very simple technique and very quick technique to make pierogi. Like this, you can enjoy your pierogi in no time. Next step, I will take the cabbage with mushroom and I'll put in the middle of pierogi dough. You can take like this, put in the middle, take a little bit flour and press. Perfect. Dzisiaj robię wspaniałe pierożki, kapusta kiszona z grzybkami. Używam grzybków suszonych i grzybków świeżych, ze względu, że nie mamy takiego dostępu do suszonych grzybków. Wspaniałe pierożki na Wigilię. Pierogi with cabbage and mushrooms done. From this amount of ingredients I make 59 pierogis. Boiling water. Now I'm adding salt and oil. Now I will cook pierogi. It'll be a very quick process right now. I will cook pierogi till pierogi stay on the top of the boiling water. See, all the pierogi are on the bottom of cooking pan. We keep the stove on a high heat. I will stir pierogi with the wooden spoon very gently. Okay. You can see the pierogis are on the top of the water, and I'll cook for 1 minute and I'll be done. Okay, 1 minute pass. I'm removing pierogi. I serve cabbage and mushroom pierogi with fried onion. Let me try. The pierogi with cabbage and mushrooms done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out and see you soon on my next episode. Merry Christmas to all. Życzę wesołych i pogodnych świąt Bożego Narodzenia. Smacznego!